am tired.
From waking up at dawn, getting bitten by insects, having new gears, spending time with my farmers, getting frustrated on the farm. Yeah, my fitness goals. Yep, that is me. But I count it all joy. I'm just exhausted. I'm tired.
Good morning, guys. It's 5:18 a.m. Not here. I need to be in any technology, so I need to be in a community by 6 something, right? Very tired. I need to be in that community by that time, and yeah, that's why I'm up early. The Holy Spirit is such a darling because I slept around like almost 1 to 2, and I was literally saying in my head that you should help me. So you can help us really, really. So let's go with you so that we can head out. I think we'll drink a while so we can head out, then get the cab and start. I have to get some training stuff. I'm going to get them hopefully by the grace of God. So pray for me, okay? This is the time nobody sees the early mornings where you have to rush in to meet family so that within the week things go a little better for you. Yeah. Got you guys. Down. Okay.
Still very dark. It's at least it's getting better. This is my face after hours of filming. Trust me. I can't believe it. My face looks this. Oh my goodness. Stop it. Hi, good morning. I know I've not spoken to you guys in a few days. Life has been life, and seriously. And I'm smiling because your girls' videos are now doing well on all socials. It's like now they've recognized me, and I think one of my videos, I have over 4K views on it on TikTok, and I think on YouTube too we hit 70,000 views. But we are still at 303 subscribers, so it shows that we just need to work harder for the subscribers and the watch. I don't just want people to I want people to have an experience. Yeah, cocoa body. No, come just him. Tell some way. Cocoa bean. Oh, I'm saying no. I near door sweet cafe. Okay. Oh, and I will wear 550. Normal. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, lovelies. I hope you are doing amazing. So, I suddenly had an idea to do what do you call it? A challenge, like a workout challenge, specifically following a specific exercise for a month. I just want to see how my body will be able like change, pair that with eating right. For me, walking is something I do like on a weekly basis, on a daily basis. I walk for hours, and I think that would also help. So the whole problem, I'm trying to target my abs. When I started doing the glute workout to grow my bum bum, yes, I had to bulk eat, like we call something bulking. Yeah, these gym people. So you have to eat proteins because you need protein to grow your bum bum. Trust me. Recently, I've not been doing a lot of glute workouts, but I my protein intake is still intact, and I'm still growing. Like the last time my seamstress took my measurements for my lower body, it was my hips, my whole like that side was around 42. Just last week it was 45, and I've not been working out for like 2 weeks because I've just been busy. So if you want to, because of that bulking, I realized I've gained some weight in my midsection. I'm not particularly the type to have a big tummy, right? It's normal, like it's not super flat, but it's you hardly see a bulge. But now I see a bulge, and it's really disturbing. I'm not mad at it. I feel like my body's changing too, but I just want to see what that specific exercises would help with my body, coupled with working out and all, walking and doing all that. So yeah, that's what I'm getting into. After that, I get to work. Then I'm going to the bush. I have a lot to do today, so God help me. And if you have a lot to do today too, don't be slacking. Try and be productive. Let's all try. Let's all try, okay? I know working is hard and all that, but let's all try because we need the money. The money. That producer, what's let her go. Let her go. I'm sure it's almost 7 now, and I just got back home from the field. I am tired, I am famished, I want to pee, like all of that. And tomorrow too, we have my boss and our teammates. They are coming to my community. Am I anxious? Yeah, because farmers can do anything and everything. So I just pray to God that everything works out fine, and I'm sure I'm going to come here and tell you guys what happened, okay? And it will be good news, so stay tuned. Hey boo-boos, it's another day. I got back yesterday very late, and I updated you guys, and I was talking to you about how my teammates, together with my boss, they are coming to my community today. It's 7:10, and I'm now leaving the house. I need to quickly get to the community, tell the farmer that the whole team is coming to his farm, right? And what again? Yeah, today, funny enough, I was reading Songs of Solomon and I was like, hey, adulthood, Songs of Solomon. Hey, now I have more vibes because if you're a man and you don't read the Songs of Solomon, like, I really don't get you because Solomon get vibes, so like you people should be learning from the ancient people. Eh? I'm out of breath. So guys, I'll catch you maybe in the middle of all this. And I know we are going to come out successfully. The narrative will be changed because that community of mine did me dirty some 2 years ago. So I'm believing and trusting God that today He turns things in my favor. And at the end of the day, we give glory to God. Okay, so let's wrap up. Catch you guys on the other side. Bye. For friends that would actually hold you down. They have the spirit of God and wouldn't fear to speak to you, right?